Hi, this is Otto. Last night I went to the opening of the Biennial at the Bermuda National Gallery. It was interesting to see the work and the people at the opening. It was one of the first large indoor events that I have attended for a couple of years. I really felt like I was back on the art scene because there was also a dance school recital in the City Hall. In recent years, I have gotten artist autographs, so I got as many as I could. Few people asked me if I had work in the show. I have not had anything in the biennial for somewhere between 16 and 18 years, but I did enter this year. And my work was rejected again this year. The title of my work is in Italian, a new vocabulary for me. Avess'io almen cristallo il core. If only I had a heart that was crystal clear, was the title of a lecture about poetry and portraits in the Renaissance, given by Lina Bolsoni, an Italian scholar and author who spoke at the Met in New York in 2012. The title of the lecture fits in with how I am interpreting a new vocabulary, past, present, and future, which is the theme of this year's biennial. My first idea was to do a portrait of myself talking in tongues, which is speaking to God in a new vocabulary. I used the communion elements that are bread and wine to identify what I was doing. I then painted myself in quiet prayer and the gesture for hush because I am finding that I have less freedom and I have to be careful what I say. Painting facial expressions and handling gestures is my new vocabulary because my words can get me in trouble. If only I had a heart that was crystal clear, I would be understood. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. You should have been able to see what the biennial was like, and you could see what my work was like. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye.